Hello, here in a dark, wet, subtropical, very warm subtropical, almost tropical forest of Yakushima. This is an island south to Kyushu. It actually starts the Ryukyu archipelago, which goes towards Okinawa and then to Taiwan. So on this island you can see many of these ferns. These are Asplenium, nest Asplenium ferns, which in Asia replace the ecological niche of bromeliads. So they are living tanks or living trash cans which gather everything here in between leaves, and this trash allows them to supply themselves with substrate to grow. So normal position of these ferns is of course up on trees. But unfortunately recent typhoons brought plenty of damage to the southern Japanese forest, and this fern, well, probably went down during this typhoon high winds. So this typically for this epiphytic fern, they have a whole communities of plants. For example, here in that plant group there are some Hoya, which also grow as epiphyte on trees and of course prefer to grow in places where substrate is more available. The species is Asplenium antiquum, which is characterized by long sporangial sorry rows almost reaching the margin of leaf. And more southern Asplenium nidus also grows in Yakushima. I think it's some religious sounds around me, and that forest is not far away from the port of Yakushima, and still many shrines are around me. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I probably will place that fern in some better place. Typically going down doesn't mean exactly the end of life for epiphytes, but of course in that case it will be vulnerable. It's appeared right on the road here, and vulnerable for many other problems. So if I put it slightly upward in more safe place, it will be better for growing. Even with the less light, these plants can continue to grow. By the way, bromeliads and orchids are suffering more when they go down. Ferns are more or less okay. That's one of advantages of being epiphytic fern. So this is September 21st on Yakushima Island, very south of Japan. Thank you. Okay. Maybe it will be the better place.